One of the really cool things we did is instead of having the ladder connected right here, which kind of boxes in the bottom bunk, is we built the steps into the wardrobe assembly over here. So the kids take a step here, second step here, and hop up top. We're here at the Tampa Supershow. We're ready to show you the new 25 BHS floor plan that's all new for 2023. Welcome to the inside of the all-new 25 BHS with Hideout. We have a second option for that traditional double over double customer, which is the most common customer that we have. So that growing young family that wants more flexible options for who they travel with and where they're able to travel to and what they're able to pack. One of the really cool features is the bunks on this setup. So starting here, this year we made it so that the bunks they can fold up, which just gives you some more flexible storage options. You know, you could potentially have a kayak, fishing poles, or things like that down there. A few more options. One of the cool things about this setup that we have is normally you're not going to get a big wardrobe with your bunks. So we've created all this deep wardrobe space to give you either coat rack options or just more closed storage. As well, storage built into the step-up area. So this year the focus was all about attention to detail and where can we create a few more storage options. And in the bathroom, as well as in the sink and everywhere else, is all of the fixtures and finishings now match, which just ties that story together and gives it a much more residential feel. The new configuration we have creates much more social environment to entertain guests in. And a big focus this year as well was whatever the primary seating area is, that you're gonna have direct line of sight view of the television for your most comfortable arrangement. We have the new Fuzion 10 cubic inch 12 volt fridge, which is a much nicer look. We have additional pantry storage over here. This storage space, we try to think, how is the customer going to use it? So in building creating the right height, we're using cereal boxes as a barometer for how tall we should have the storage, because that's what our customers, one of the things that they're commonly going to pack. A big upgrade we have at 2023 is getting rid of the carpet and moving to a lino extension flush floor, which is going to make it cleaner, and it also pulls the camper and makes it just feel a little bit bigger on the inside. You're going to now have a completely walled off and much more private master bedroom for the parents. So instead of sliding pocket doors now, you have a much more sealed off space. The countertop space here, you're going to have a three burner stovetop there, the Fuzion microwave, and then this year what's all new is pressed countertops, stainless steel sinks, and matching fixtures. We've also moved to all hardwood doors as of 2023, which is a big upgrade for us. And when I say this attention to detail, how many times do you open underneath the sink and you got piping that really obstructs and blocks what you can put in there? We've really tried to clean up the space as much as possible so that you have full functional usage of it. And while you're looking down there, one other thing is we still kept the only one in the traditional build segment that's going to have a central vacuum included in every one of our double axle builds. A nice feature over here as well, just for that residential look, is you have this countertop space. You think when you walk back into your home, you might have a table for your keys and your phone and things like that. We've got that here. We created this empty cavity at the bottom so you could take your shoes off when you come in, and now that you have a place to store your shoes as well. A couple cool features on the master bedroom. Every time that we do our wardrobes, we make sure to test it with a hanger from home so that we have full depth. And with your dirty clothes, when you're done, instead of having to put them in with your clean clothes, we've created the laundry chute, so now you can have a basket and simply drop the dirty clothes underneath into your pass-through. We've added bed struts for the underbed storage. As well, we make sure to always seal off the underbed storage from the pass-through for security, for bugs, for energy efficiency as well. Thank you for checking out the all-new Hideout 25 BHS. Come on down to the Tampa Supershow and check out the rest of our all-new floor plans.